Part 1. Introduction. Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your ultimate resource for financial freedom and smart investing. If you've been curious about cryptocurrency and wondering how to get started, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down how to set up your first crypto wallet step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the right type of crypto wallet for your needs, set up both hardware and software wallets, secure your funds and stay compliant with crypto taxes. Use the best tools to optimize your crypto journey. Stick around because I'll also share some pro tips that most beginners miss, and trust me, avoiding these mistakes can save. Ready to take control of your crypto? Check out the links in the description for the tools we mentioned. Let's dive in. Part 2. What is a crypto wallet and why do you need one? If you're new to crypto, the first thing to understand is that a crypto wallet is your gateway to the blockchain. It's where you store the private keys that give you access to your funds. Think of it as your digital safe, but instead of holding cash, it secures your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Here's a quick breakdown of wallet types. Hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them immune to hackers. Popular options include Safepal and Ellipal. These wallets are ideal for long-term storage and serious security. Software wallets. Software wallets are apps you can install on your phone or computer. For example, Safepal offers both hardware and mobile wallet solutions, while Coinly lets you track and manage your portfolio seamlessly. Custodial wallets. If you're just starting out, you might use wallets provided by exchanges like Bybit or BlockFi. These are user-friendly, but remember, you don't own the private keys, which means less control over your funds. Each type of wallet has its strengths, so it's important to align your choice with your investment goals and security needs. Part 3. Step-by-step guide to setting up your first crypto wallet. Step 1. Choosing your wallet. Before you start, decide whether you want a hardware wallet for maximum security or a software wallet for convenience. I recommend starting with a hybrid approach, a hardware wallet for storage and a software wallet for active use. Step 2. Setting up a hardware wallet. Safepal or Ellipal. Purchase your hardware wallet directly from the official website to avoid counterfeit products. Once it arrives, unbox it and power it on. Follow the instructions to set up your wallet. During setup, you'll generate a recovery phrase, a sequence of 12 to 24 random words. Write this down on paper and store it securely, a place that only you can access. Pair your wallet with the official mobile app. Safepal, for instance, offers a highly rated app that syncs seamlessly with its hardware device. Step 3. Setting up a software wallet. Coinly. Download the Coinly app from their official website or app store. Create an account and connect it to your crypto exchanges like Bybit. Use the app to track your portfolio in real time, monitor price changes, and manage your assets. Add your wallet addresses to Coinly to centralize your holdings in one place. Step 4. Managing taxes with tools like Koinly and Ledger. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to stay compliant with tax regulations. Koinly and Ledger are excellent tools for calculating your crypto taxes. They integrate seamlessly with your wallet and exchanges to automatically generate tax reports. Step 5. Enhancing your setup with advanced tools. Use Glassnode for on-chain analytics to understand market trends and make better investment decisions. Set up TradingView for detailed charting and technical analysis. Consider using 3 commas to automate your trades and maximize profitability. Part 4. Security and best practices. Your crypto is only as safe as you make it. Follow these tips. Always enable 2-factor authentication for all your wallets and exchanges. Never share your private keys or recovery phrase. Store your hardware wallet and recovery phrase a fireproof safe. Regularly back up your wallets to prevent loss. Congratulations! You've just taken your first step into the world of cryptocurrency. By setting up a secure wallet and using the tools we discussed, you're now equipped to confidently manage your crypto portfolio. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable crypto insights. Check out the links in the description for the tools we mentioned and watch my other videos for more tips on growing your crypto wealth.